this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified.
What is up, guys? Thank you for watching JGTechBlog. It's your boy JG. JGnation, I know I haven't done this in a while, so it's good to be back. Let's go right ahead and get into the A20. So this is one of the best phones right now that is out at Metro by Tmobile. I was about to say Metro PCS, but that's no longer the case. So the A20 is actually following the A series. The previous model was the A6. And so for the A20, a lot of people have been saying that this is actually one of the best phones because of the price. As you can see, it's actually free if you switch in from a different carrier. So let's go right ahead and see what the phone comes with, what's in the box, and then we'll just talk a little bit about the phone, just the first impressions before we go on to the full review. Let's go ahead and do that. So here's the box, and it's an amazing phone, by the way. The display on here is amazing. We're talking about a 19:9 aspect ratio, 6.4 high definition infinity display. And as you guys know, Samsung makes one of the best displays out there. It actually even manufactures to Apple, if I'm not mistaken. So as we look at the back, you have a fingerprint sensor. You do have facial recognition in the back, as you can see here, facial recognition for security. We're going to test that out as well and see how well that works. You have the 8 megapixel front facing camera. You have the 8 megapixel front facing camera with flash. And in the rear, you actually have a dual camera, the 13 megapixel at the top, the 5 megapixel at the bottom, and you have the flash. Right here on the right hand side, you have the volume rocker, the power button, and the left hand side, you have the SIM card tray. So right down at the bottom, which is really nice, and a lot of people like this, you have the speakers, you have a USB-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Alright, let's go ahead now and check out what's in here before we turn on the phone. You have a fast wall adapter. This is fast charging, as you guys can see right there. You have USB-C. You have the SIM card eject tool. That's going to come in handy. Make sure you don't lose that. You have the SIM card itself for the carrier. And then you have the manuals, which is in Spanish and in English. Alright guys, now that we've went through everything that's in the box, let's move that out the way and just real quick go over the phone. By the way, just looking at this, it's honestly amazing. I have not seen a phone like this for this price point with Metro. Be honest with you, the display is amazing. The quality of the build, it's not really plastic. There is some weight to it. You don't feel just cheap material that it's built with. Samsung makes some really good products, as you guys know. So let's go ahead and check out the camera. That's the first thing I usually try to see, in the quality of the pictures. So let's go ahead and take a picture. This is the front facing camera. You have a lot of options. You have the video, you have the photo, you have the live focus. Panorama is also available in here. Then if you go and flip the camera, let's take a picture of the A20 box. Again, as you can see, you have the Pro, and you want to do the settings that you want. If you want if you want to play around with the ISO, if you want to play around with the white balance, the panorama features, the settings are endless, and we're gonna go cover every single one of these in the review. So make sure you're subscribed to be notified when that video is up. So let's go ahead and just take a normal picture for now. And I'm going to post these on my Instagram. Make sure to check me out on there, JGTechBlog. Link will be down below. And just to let you guys know, this is running a 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, Exynos 7904. Alright, it's a 4000 milliamp battery, so that's really nice. It's not a removable battery, but 4000 milliamps, that's pretty good with the 14-watt fast charging capability with this wall adapter. It has 32 gigabytes of internal memory and 3 gigabytes of RAM. It has a fingerprint sensor in the back, the facial recognition, the 7.4 HD Gorilla Glass 3. So if you drop this, it's going to be a little bit harder for it to break. For those that hate the notch, this has more of a eye drop notch, so that's pretty cool. I honestly hate the full notches, so to me this is a much better, pleasant view of the display. Alright guys, so just to recap, this is going for $79 if you're doing a new line. It's free if you switch over from a different carrier. It's $179 if you're upgrading from a different phone to the A20, and it's $239 MSRP. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put it down below. If you guys enjoy my videos, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.